Are you tired of working a job that bores you and instead want to work doing something you love? Many of us struggle with a terrible work-life balance, with technology blurring the lines between work and leisure. How many times have you responded to an email late at night or had to rush to finish tasks outside of regular hours? The conflict between trying to have leisure time and the pressure to be engaged at all times can negatively impact your quality of life. But what if there was a solution to take control of your work life? Introducing How to Start a Freelance Business, a step-by-step guide to breaking free from the traditional work model and gaining control over your life. This ebook is packed with tips, tricks, and tried and tested strategies to start your successful freelance business. Let's take a sneak peek at what you'll discover. Why you should start a freelance business, the benefits of a freelance lifestyle. What kind of freelance business you can start, how to set useful business goals, the importance of a business plan and tips to create one, and much more. But that's not all. We're offering special bonuses for taking action. Fast Action Bonus 1, Point-by-Point Checklist. A handy checklist to guide you through the entire course in actionable, bite-sized points. Fast Action Bonus 2, Resource Cheat Sheet. Access a Rolodex of top sites, blogs, forums, tools, apps, and services to propel you even further. Fast Action Bonus 3, Mind Map. A quick glance over this mind map and you'll get an instant refresher of all the major points and action steps from the main guide. How much is all this going to cost you? You can own How to Start a Freelance Business and all the bonuses for a mere $5. That's a truly incredible deal. For only $5, you'll receive comprehensive insights that can transform your life. Click the buy button right now and take ownership of this valuable ebook today. Get instant access and start your journey to freelance freedom.